Yo, hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up Midjourney AI properly. So, first of all, I will show you how to open your account and how to use this AI so you can make some art designs and etc. So, first of all guys, what I need you to do is go and open any kind of browser on your PC, and then what I will need you to do is go ahead and search for Midjourney. So Midjourney, like so, and click on the first website, which is midjourney.com. Now, after you're done with this, what I need you to do is go and click on sign in. After that, they will ask you for the access to your Discord. So give it the authorization. And right after you finish with this, you go ahead and open your Discord, which is a pretty simple method. So just go ahead and open your Discord and open Discord just like so. And you will find yourself invited to the server, and you will find the server actually in your servers list. So something like that will do the job. Now, as you can see, now in order to create images and so for your own like self, you can just go one of these newbies rooms and go all the way down, write anything you'd like. So what you need to do basically is click on slash imagine, and just like for example this one, the first one, which is imagine prompt. So you click on it and you will find here a space to write in. So what you're gonna do basically is type whatever you want. So for example, make me a website, uh, library website. So let's make it like Apple website, high quality, white and gray and black. High quality smart UI, 8K and stuff, etc. So let's click on enter. And basically now the AI will start generating ideas and collecting stuff in order to make you an image. So let's go back it up. And so as you can see now it is making it. So here it is. It is a 0%, and it is making it really fast. So let's wait until it finishes. So let's wait. 62%, and still it will go up until it reaches 100%. So even though you see now the quality is so bad, but trust me, after it reaches 100%, which is now, it will be so cool. So as you can see, here is the page or the web page that the AI has actually made for me. You can here choose, for example, if you like this one, you can upscale it or make a variation of it by choosing here one of these. And yeah guys, that's how you can actually start using this AI. Thank you a lot for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial.